Hey folks, my name's Joel Tarian. Now give me just 2 minutes to explain to you what this amazing opportunity is all about. First, let me ask you a question, and I know it's yes. Do you own one of these? Yep, there's 8 billion of them on the planet right now, or just about. Digital storage is becoming the new oil. What do I mean by that? People are addicted to their selfies and their videos and everything else. They're addicted to their PowerPoints and their contract. Everything is going digital today. People spend money buying 2 billion cell phone cases for their phone to protect the phone, but nobody knows how to protect the most important part, which is all the data and all the memories in your phone. So what's this opportunity about? For less than $10 a month and a 75% payout, you can back up every single device that you have for you and your whole family, 6 different accounts. And it doesn't matter if your family lives with you or they live in another place. As an example, my daughter uses it for her work, but she doesn't live with me. So imagine for less than $10 a month, backing up every single device for your whole family, all your mobile phones, all your computers, all your tablets, everything. When people hear that, they go, wait a minute, Joel, you're telling me that for less than $10 a month, my whole family legacy, memory, contracts, videos, my selfies, my favorite pictures, my favorite video memories are backed up in a safe place for good, and I can collaborate with that with my whole family and people outside? Yes, that's why we're exploding in over 116 countries instantly. It's an amazing opportunity that anybody can afford anywhere in the world. So what you want to do is just look to the side of me here, and there's a button called View My Power Line. That power line shows you just how fast the company is growing. So the way the power line works is you just opted in and you're watching this video. If you go over to View My Power Line in the next minute or two, you're gonna see other people that opted in to watch this same video after you, and it's gonna grow and grow and grow. That's how fast the company is growing. Then we move people from the power line into the binary where you start making amazing income. So here's an amazing opportunity that is needed in the world. And if you want proof of that, just look at Dropbox. Go to dropbox.com. They don't have a business opportunity attached, and they have 700 million users. That shows that there's a need for secure cloud storage that you can collaborate in as well. So take a look around this whole members area. It shows you just how secure your data is, and you're able to start a home-based business for less than $10 a month with just a one-time $40 affiliate fee. I look forward to working with you, and again, if you have any questions, just hit the contact us and reach out to us now.